Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be something super different. I'm going to be trying something that I've been seeing a lot on YouTube. I don't know if it's gonna work. Sorry if my face is like really greasy, and I just actually got out the shower, got ready for bed, and moisturized my skin. I put on some oil on my face, so that's why I look super greasy and like gross. I'm talking really low right now because it's kind of late. It's about almost midnight, and you probably can hear the air going on. But anyways, today I'm gonna be trying the Vicks Vapor Rub with Saran Wrap and seeing if I wake up and my belly is super flat. Basically is you rub Vicks all over your belly, you wrap it in Saran Wrap, and then you go to sleep or you work out with it, and then you're supposed to it's supposed to suck out all the fat, and you're supposed to be skinny the next day, okay? And it's a temporary fix, and I need it. I'm gonna try it. I want to see. I want a flat tummy. Okay, let's do this. What this is supposed to do is help aid in weight loss. I'm seeing on Google that it's permanent, but a lot of people are telling me that it's temporary, and that's kind of what I believe too, that it is a temporary solution, because I don't know how much weight I'm gonna really lose overnight, and I'm not going to be using a waist trainer for this video. So basically we're just gonna try it out. We're gonna see if it works. I don't have a waist trainer. I used to, but I moved and I lost it, so we're just gonna have to do what it do and work with what we got. Okay, so we're gonna do this really quick and see how this works. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be using. And yeah, so for this I have this Saran Wrap that I bought in the Dollar Tree. I had another one, but my mom went and opened it. It was actually the Glad brand. So we're gonna just do this. They had Vapor Rub in Dollar Tree, but I wanted to actually just get the real like Vicks Vapor Rub. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hold on. So basically what you do is rub this all over your belly, or they say affected areas, you know, where you want to lose the weight, and you wrap it in Saran Wrap. And usually most people do put on a waist trainer, but I don't have one, so we're just gonna work with what we have. And a lot of people are like, this doesn't really work because you're naturally skinnier in the morning because you haven't eaten and everything like that. So I'm not gonna lie, for the past few weeks I haven't been waking up all super skinny and flat. So in that sense, I'm like, maybe this could make a difference. I don't know. You guys will see. I'm going to show you guys my before and the after, and you guys can be the judge of it. And I will be completely honest. If I don't see any changes, I will let you guys know if this works or not, because I want to know. That's why I'm trying this for myself. I'm going to try this for myself. I'm going to really find out if this is some true stuff, because, you know, why not? I'm also going to be drinking some tea before bed, so it's going to have apple cider vinegar in there. That also helps aid in weight loss as well, so I'm cheating a little bit, but that's usually what I drink before bed anyway, because I'm really trying to work on this weight loss thing. I'm actually filming a video about my weight loss journey, and I can't wait to share that with you guys. But without me talking anymore, let's get into the video and let's see if this really works. This is me, like no sucking, just me. This is the cheating thing. This is how you cheat, guys. You put your pants above your belly button, and then automatically you look flat. Like, you look like you have no belly. Before my back. And I did eat a lot of food before this. I had Cece's pizza. I was like eating everything. So this is like real stuff. And don't nobody go in the comments saying, what are you doing, girl? You don't need to do it. Yes, I do. I have belly fat. This thing is fat, okay? I'm gonna take the Vicks. I really don't like the smell of Vicks. You know, your mom be like, Mom, I'm sick. She'd be like, rub the Vicks on your chest. I'm like, it does help you. This is brand new. I never used it before. It's like, I'm kind of sucking in a little bit just so I can get up in there, but this is me right now. You guys don't have to put a lot, so don't overdo it, baby. I gotta take a really good shower in the morning. Oh my god. I'm gonna put on a big shirt to sleep in because I don't want my bed to smell like Vicks. So now I'm gonna open the Saran Wrap. Hands are greasy. Let me wash my hands off. So guys, one thing I want to tell you guys, do not overdo the Vicks because I'm already feeling it and it's a bit like it's about to start burning, and I forgot that it had that sensation. Yeah, don't overdo it. So I'm gonna take this saran wrap and put it on there like this. Oh, it sticks right on there though. It's on my pants. Okay, this is easier than I thought. And also don't do this too tight, okay? Show you guys what's going on. Oh, it's getting hot, like icy hot kind of thing. It's kind of ripping. It's burning. Oh, I feel like I'm on fire. Let me rip that. So here's like, I guess, the first layer. It's not as tight. I'm gonna try to make it a little tighter if I can. Ooh. I don't know about this, y'all. Right, you guys, I'm done. I finished. My camera actually died when I was putting it on, so I didn't get to show you guys the whole thing, but basically it's burning me a little bit, like a little bit, a lot of it, and it just feels really hot around here, and like I kind of feel it from the outside. I don't know if it's just my head or what, but I got it on my arm too, and I'm like, it's irritating my arm, like I'm like, oh, but that's what I'm feeling now. But yeah, this is basically it, how it looks right now. The Spanx kind of thing. So I'm gonna put it over it like this, and hopefully this will keep it in place. It literally looks like I have on a bodysuit now. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna just make my tea and then I'm just gonna watch some videos until I go to bed. So yeah, oh my god, the grease. But this oil though, I'm gonna show you guys the oil. Give me a minute, give me a minute. This oil right here is absolutely everything. This vitamin C, dang, what's up with the aperture? Yeah, this vitamin C beauty oil, this is what's on my face right now. Amazing. You guys, I'm standing like kind of close to the bathroom because I don't want to get too close to the bathroom with my tea, but I made my tea. It's really late, so I'm trying to whisper, and I guess I'm gonna see you guys in the morning, and we'll see if this really works or not. So wish me luck. And apple cider vinegar, y'all. Good morning, you guys. It's literally the next morning. I've been up since about 8 o'clock this morning. It's now 10. I just couldn't get myself out of bed this morning. I still sound like I just woke up. But I'm sure you guys want to see I'm sure you guys want to see if this worked at all. I don't know if it worked. I'll tell you guys my thoughts on this. I did have a little bit of trouble falling asleep. Not sure if anybody else who's done this has had any of those issues, but I did feel a bit uncomfortable. It did start to get a little bit itchy or irritated, where I felt like I was just trying to adjust the saran wrap a lot. I was almost like, oh, like I want to take it off, but I was like, no, I gotta do this. So I woke up maybe like around 5 or 6 in the morning. In a way, I almost had like a dream about the saran wrap being on me, and I was like, yo, I just want to cut this thing off right now. I was so ready to get up and just take it off. I think my body was just like, what is going on right now? Like, what do you have on? Like, I was not used to that. I don't ever sleep with anything on. I don't know how some of these women do it with the waist trainer on, because honey, I was so uncomfortable. But we're gonna see. I'm just seeing with you guys as well what the heck went on last night. I don't know if I'm like 10 pounds lighter, girl. I don't know. But again, as a lot of people would say you are lighter in the morning, your stomach's just flatter in the morning. I gave myself 2 hours maybe for the bloating to come in. I didn't eat yet, so of course my belly's gonna get bigger, but I guess it's kind of like, again, this is like a temporary fix. We are gonna see if there is a difference. I really won't know if there's a difference until I look back at the footage, so let's just see what went on last night, because I want to know too. Woo! Oh my gosh. All right, so here's the belly. I don't know, guys. Do you guys see a difference? This is the final. I'm looking at myself. I don't see much of a change or a difference, honestly. Let me know in the comments if you think it worked. I don't see much of a difference, although I've watched a lot of other people do this video and I saw a difference in them. I'm not sure if it only works with some people, how it works anyways, like whatever, I don't know. This was really fun to try it, I guess. I don't think I'd do it again, I don't know, because I mean I didn't see a significant change in myself. I wanted to be extremely honest with you guys and show you exactly what it is, no lie. Like, let me know if you guys have any other video suggestions for me, anything that you guys want me to try. That was actually interesting to do, but I don't feel like there was that big of a change. I don't know, I gotta look back on the footage and I will see if there really was a significant change in my appearance. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so that you get notified when I post my next video. I appreciate you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Peace.